team at High Speed Gear continually listens to our customer base, and the request for double and triple pistol pouches in the taco design keeps coming up, and has for some time. We are now able to satisfy that demand. Just like the original pistol taco, the double pistol taco is made of a custom Cordura laminate with injection molded polymer brackets and shock cord. The pouch will securely hold 2 pistol magazines, flashlights, or any combination of similar vital tools. In addition to providing a pouch that adjusts to the size of your magazine, the patent-pending design allows for positive adjustable retention, rapid deployment, and easy, consistent magazine reinsertion. The double pistol taco comes in MOLLE and belt-mounted versions.